guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today, and if you're new here, I'm so glad you found me. Welcome. Today I wanted to share something with you. I'm working on a journal, and as we always work on journals, we think of what can we do different, what can we add, make our pages more interesting. And I know everybody's done snippet pages, collage pages, quilted pages. So I came up with something that I thought I wanted to share with you because I think it's pretty cool, and I call it a Picasso page. And the reason I call it a Picasso page is if you've seen Picasso's artwork, his pictures are off, like his faces are all, just crooked and crazy. And what I did here was I had a silhouette of a female and I tore it into strips and basically collaged it, but I took the image of the female and tore it into strips and then put a secondary, the brighter colors over it. But what you notice first off is the silhouette, and it's kind of skewed off like Picasso. So this is my Picasso page, and it really looks super cool. And when you're flipping a journal and then you get to it, it's like, oh wow, there's actually a picture there in there. So I wanted to show you another way to do the same thing. And what I have here is some coffee dyed paper, which is going to be my page. And I have this picture, which is colored this time. Instead of being a silhouette, I'm going to use a color photo. So my auxiliary pages or strips are just going to be black. And it'll work the exact same way. So what I'm going to do is all you do is go and tear your main picture into strips, and they can be many different sizes. And I don't want the ends to be finished, so I'm going to go just around the very edges because this is the top and I want it to be kind of rough on the sides and the top. And you'll go through and do this on the whole thing. Okay, and you just tear it. And I like to lay them face down so they're in order when I'm done. Whoops. Okay, and I'm just tearing my picture into strips. Okay. Alright. And then I'm going to leave them upside down because I always start from the bottom and work up, just so I can make sure I have enough room. And now I'm going to tear the black strips. And that's so wide that I can probably get to. Again, I'm going to go over the straight edges because I don't want anything straight. I want it to all be torn and rough. Okay. And what I do is I lay them out on my page first, and then I'll glue them down. So this is the page I'm going to put them on. And I'm going to start. I have them face down, which means the bottom is the top one. So there's the bottom. I'm going to put it there. And you alternate putting your auxiliary pages on top and underneath it. You just kind of go as you put it together, you'll figure it out. It's like putting together a puzzle. And I think I will switch. Okay. So what I did was I've got my torn picture here, and I'm just putting it down in strips here. Okay. And that's the bottom, and then I put a dark one, and then I put the next piece there, and I'm going to get another dark piece. And the pieces don't have to be perfect at all. And remember, you're going to offset your colored photo too, because you want it to be like a Picasso print and kind of be crooked. So it's going to kind of go crooked like that. And you just keep going and build it up. and you just work it like a puzzle, and you're just laying strip after strip. And you can decide if you want your dark strip on top, underneath, totally up to you. Just remember when you want to offset the pieces so they're not all just lining up just right, because it's Picasso's artwork. And his artwork is always always crooked. Trim it up, and then you just add some glue all over it like you're decoupaging it. So there is our Picasso, and doesn't the picture just jump off at you? Let me dry it a little bit. And there you have the collage page where the picture actually jumps off at you between the alternative colored, or the dark pages. See? There's that one, and there's that one. Isn't that cool? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little page trick for your next journal. If you use it, let me know. I'd love to see it. Thanks for being here today. Bye.